Hi, this is Gertrude here in Kwekwe, Zimbabwe. Today I'll be doing a bit of gardening, but I woke up first thing in the morning and I remembered how we used to pick the mandarins off the tree. And what we did is we devised a little tool made out of a stick with a hook. And you hook the mandarin and pull, especially the ones that are ripened at the very top of the tree. So I woke up this morning and I've picked a whole lot of mandarins, and I'm pretty pleased with the result. I love being home. So this is what I've managed to pick this morning: a fresh bowl of organic mandarins. I'm really blessed to come from Zimbabwe and to be able to come back home every once in a while and experience what used to be my childhood again. Bye for now.